What up, BuffBuckz? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications so that way you know every time I upload in the future. Welcome back. Yes. I miss all of y'all. Just been busy for the last month and a half. I'm talking about my sister came down to Atlanta. So I went up, I drove 2.5 hours to go ahead and meet her.
What up, Buff Gang?
We went on an outdoor adventure, doing some off-roading. There was a little cart that was behind us.
How do I get it up here? Boom, there's a bullet.
I don't know.
Hell yeah, Buff.
Shout out to Jibo for that. I'll leave the link to the Instagram. They do tours, various places, the mountains and things like that. So it's pretty cool. Very fun time. And then following that up, my girlfriend's birthday was around the corner, so I had to plan, set things up. It was a lot. So after Danielle's birthday, then we were supposed to go on a trip to Florida together, but due to her work issues, we couldn't they wouldn't let her rather leave at the time, which I totally understand. So I went to the trip to Florida, my boy's Chris baby shower. Shout out to Trades Customs. Make sure you check them out as well. I'll leave a link to their Instagram in the description box below. It was fun. Good seeing everybody. Missed all the boys. We were chilling. And of course, while I was down there, saw my family, mom, dad, sister again. It was fun. Good vibes. And then when it came back, my birthday. So as you can see, it was just a whole bunch of things here. But guess what? I didn't forget. So without further ado, let's go ahead and announce the winners, because I promised there'll be 2 winners. If we got to 200 subscribers, and we did. We're actually at 224 right now as we stand. The first winner is Samuel Grega. Congratulations. I'll be hitting you up and sending you a message, so please respond. And then the second winner, drum roll please. Hector Sosa. Congratulations. You have won $50 as well. Again, I can PayPal, Zelle, Cash App. All right, so without further ado, today's video is actually going to be a double unboxing. Yes, a double unboxing. So this is a gift I received from Danielle and my friend Rob. It is a Batman bat signal. I think it's pretty damn cool. It's actually pretty hefty. It's weighty, like it feels like it's built sturdy, things of that nature. I'm gonna unbox this here. It's pretty cool. It says Bat Signal. One iconic sign alerts evildoers that Batman lurks in the shadows to protect the streets of Gotham City. The Bat Signal. Call upon the legendary Caped Crusader yourself with this deluxe set. Let's see, it says it's a 5-inch tall, authentically detailed Bat Signal replica. Die-cast metal construction, super bright LED light function, up to 20 feet projection in darkness, 360-degree rotatable base, 48-page cover hard book on Batman and Bat Signal lore, featuring full-color illustrations throughout. This is dope. This is dope. Batman's probably my favorite superhero. Not even probably, is. I don't want to hear anything about, prep time and all that. Stop hitting. Anywho, let's see what it looks like here. This is freaking cool. I can already see it. Let's take a look inside the box. They did a good job with comic book panel style inside. Nice. Here is the Batman Bat Signal Lighting the Dark Night Sky. I guess this is the book they were speaking of on the lore for the Bat Signal. And wow. Just opening up the first page, there's a lot of cool things. I guess maybe there's stories and books in here about the just the signal and what it represents to each person, I guess, or maybe Batman. Take a look at that later. All right. Des pièces de la résistance. The pièce de résistance. I think that's how it is. Apologies. Woo! This thing is hefty. All right. But it is so cool. Oh my goodness. Look at this. 360-degree rotatable base. I like the yellow bat signal, obviously, the Batman symbol in the front. I do have to put batteries into this. I'm not sure if it was already installed, but let's see. Nope. Yep, I gotta put batteries in this, but I for sure will. Like I said, this thing is hefty, and I will have a lot of fun with this. Thank you, babe. Thank you, Rob. I appreciate the gift. The bat signal will be put to use. That. And now, as I say, for our future presentation. All right, I know this particular unboxing is going to be old for some. It's new to me, but it's old for some. Some people don't even have it. It is what it is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Apple Watch. Woo! That's right. Got an Apple Watch. Shout out to T-Mobile for their promotions. Makes everything super affordable. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. This will be my first accessory product for Apple in general. I'm excited to see the difference between the Apple Watch and a Samsung watch here. All right. Ooh. Interesting. It's got many, I like the inside here, many different band colors, options, things of that nature. And this is the Series 6 version of the Apple Watch, and the 44 millimeter, I think it's 44 millimeters if I'm not mistaken. This is the all black one. Let's see here, let's open it up. This is how it looks when you take the cover off. It looks like two separate boxes in the box. The box inception. Let's see here. All right. Cool. 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 All right. Designed by Apple in California. Designed by Apple in California. Anywho, so it does come with its own charger, no sort of base for the charger, so good luck there. Here is the actual watch itself. Go ahead and peel that off here. Woo! Get that on the ASMR, right? It's so tiny. It looks tiny. All right. And then, so they have the watch band, the black watch band in here. This is how it comes in the box. I already took out one piece of the watch band. All you have to do is just install it yourself. Really easy, just clips right in to the watch. Here we are. And slide in. You just slide them in. Boom. Watch ready. Alright. I mean, it feels nice and light. Doesn't feel like it'll be in the way. It doesn't feel like it'll be a nuisance per se. Nice. Alright. So now, for all those Apple enthusiasts, I am now part of the gang. Oh man. Anywho, that was it for this unboxing here. Again, my apologies to everyone that's been waiting, wanting to know.
Where's Buff? What are you doing? Where's the contest? I want my money.
I'm here. I'm slowly working. Yeah, I'm gonna get back into the rhythm of things again for y'all. And yeah, everyone be safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. And of course, y'all have a nice one.